go out, people will, hey, aren't you the Daniel from the PSLE Math that always have a lot of answers?
I think that people I gonna troll me.
No, nobody troll, right? Someone actually said thank you for all the videos. Again, when I have time, I'll show you next time. Question 8. Never mind, I go through 9 first, okay? Isaac, later I go through 8. So we look at question number 9. So there were 34 more boys than girls in the hall. The number of boys was 70% less number of girls. So how many children are there? Now, 34 more. This 17% is actually 34, right? So 1% is actually 2. And so there were 34 more boys than girls. So what happened here is that if I have this number, right, and then I have another number, let's call this girls, G for girls. Okay, I'm gonna draw again. Just put it further. Girls and boys. So let's say girls is here, and there's 34 more. 34. And then boys is here. Alright, so there are 34 more girls than boys in the hall. The number of boys was 70% less. The number of boys was 70% less. Now this is the now this is the different 100% problem. Okay? Different 100% problem. Who is the 100%?
The girls.
Yeah, because the boys was 70% less than the number of girls. Right, if they are 17% less than the number of girls, so the boys must be, sorry, actually the girls is 100%, and the boys would be 80, wait, 100 minus 17, right?
Yeah.
So it's 83. This is 83%. So I found that 1% represents 2. I want to find what is the total, right? The total is 183%. Now, if 1% represents 2, 183 would be 183 times 2. They will give me 366. So this is a case of a different 100%. Got it?
Yeah.
Different 100%. Yes, I know you want question 8. Later I go through 8. Okay. So Sam, I know I didn't send you this. Once again, just take a snapshot. You can take a picture. In fact, I'll take a picture.
Can you show me question 16 answers?
Wait,
move on.
16 answer is 44 liters and 22 cm. For A, B is 4 cm. But that's volume, right?
Do you mind showing me?
We don't need to do volume.
Oh yeah.
Skip
we
volume.
know it do.
Yeah.
Which is this we know it to do that one. No need to do it.
Don't want. Okay, don't want. Okay, next one is question 8, right? Isaac's request. Isaac say question number 8. Is this okay? Those who got this wrong? Question 9. Yes? No answer means okay, move on.
Yeah.
Oops. Move on. Question 8. Okay, 1 kg of cherry costs as much as 1.5 kg of peach. Mrs. Lee spent $54 for 2.5 kilogram of cherries and 3 kilogram of peaches. Alright, now if it's $54 for 2. What was the cost of 1? Okay, so 1 kg cherry is equivalent to 1.5 kg of peaches. Now the strategy here is to change everything to one fruit. That's what I'm saying. Change everything to one fruit. What do I mean by that? Let me explain. So if 2.5 kg of cherry plus, wait, let me change something. Now, how about 3 kg of peaches? Three kg of peaches. What is it equivalent to? How many kilogram of cherry is it? Because 1 kg cherry is 1.5 kg peach, right? So how about 3 kg of peach? Is equivalent to how many kilogram of cherry? It is actually equivalent to 2 kilogram of cherries, right? Twice, we times 2. Got it? Who asked for this? Isaac. Isaac, do you understand? A. What? Samuel 1. What do you mean? Right, 3 kilogram of peach is 2 kg of cherry. So what I want to do is I want to change this to cherries. So the $54 is equivalent to 2.5 plus 2 cherries, which will give us 4.5 kg of cherries. Okay, so now 4.5 kg of cherry costs $54. And what's the cost of $1? Okay, let's find 1 kg cherry. Because 4.5 kilogram costs $54. What is 1 kg of cherry? We take 54 divided by 4.5. Okay, we get $12. Okay, 1 kg of cherry actually costs $12. So if 1 kg of cherry costs $12, we need to take 12 divided by 1.5, we get $8. That is the cost of 1 kg of peach. Yeah, Isaac says yeah. Means he understand. Okay, we're done with this. Next one, homework. This homework checking time, so we gotta go a bit faster. All right, next. 8, 9, finish, 10, skip, 11, skip, 12, skip, 13, okay, 13. Let's look at 13. So the figure below shows a circle and a square ABCD of side 26 centimeters. E is the midpoint. BC, find the area of the shaded region. Okay, now to find the area of shaded region, what we do is we do the reverse. Usually, right, this kind of area question, you gotta put that into your head. Most of the time, if the figure looks weird, you don't know what to do. Instead of finding the shaded area, please find the unshaded area. Okay, say that. Find the unshaded area to find the shaded area. Got it? Find the unshaded area. Now, can we find the unshaded area? Yes. Are we trained to do that? Yes. How come? Let me show you. Can you see this shape? What's the name of this shape? Anybody? What's the name of this green? Arrowhead, right? Then the other one, can we see this shape? This unshaded area. What do you call this shape?
Triangle.
Awesome. So we got 2 arrowheads and 1 triangle. You understand? So if you can find the area of 2 arrowhead and 1 triangle, you just minus them off and you will find the answer. Why ... Samuel? Too easy, Huh? Samuel? Samuel, do you get this correct? No, is it because you try to find the shaded part instead of the unshaded part? Yeah, see, that's it lah. Just find the unshaded part. So how do we do the unshaded part? Blue color. Right, now the side is 26 centimeters, so that means this is 13 over here. Let's find the triangle. So triangle first. Half times 26 times 26. Okay, area of triangle 0.5 times 26 times 26. Okay, we get 3, 3, 8. Oh, today my pen a bit weird. 3. Oh. 338 cm square. Okay, so the area of the triangle is 338 cm square. Now next I want to find the arrowhead. So how to find the arrowhead? Is the arrowhead, right?
Square minus
Yeah.
I mean small square minus quadrant equals
Yeah.
arrowhead.
Yeah.
The
So
double arrow over quadrant minus arrowhead equals full leaf.
yes. So we take square. 13 times 13 square. Take away arrowhead. Sorry, take away quadrant. What's the formula for quadrant? 1/4 times pi times 13 square. Okay, this is to find the arrowhead. All right, find the arrowhead. So 13. $63.335. Right, here we can use a calculator because it's all paper number 2. Now finally, let's take the area of the big thing, which is 26 times 26. Take away 338. Take away 60. Oh, 2 times of 2 arrowhead. 2 times of 63.335. 26 times 26. 676.
Wait, we are missing a step in the arrowhead area. It's
Oh, why?
supposed to be 1/4 times 3.14 times 13 times 13. You're missing out the second 13.
I have a 13 square.
Oh
13
yeah.
square. Yeah. Yeah, let
Oh.
me check again. I got an error. Half times base times height. 6 square. 0.5 times 36 times 36. I key in some error. Wait, 13 times 13, 169. Oh, I made an error here. 36.335. 36. Okay, so 6 times 36 minus 338. So 338. Yep, so we get 265.33. Okay, so just remember this, right? Difficult area question, shaded area, don't find shaded area, find unshaded area. Yeah, thanks Isaac, I didn't see your message. Type wrongly. Next one, 13. Very good, we're going very quickly here. Next one. Is that right? No,
Yeah.
no sound means okay. Let's go.
Woohoo!
Wow, 14. ABC had a total weight of 115. 1 year later, A doubled, B 15, C reduced by 5. Wow. Okay, so before and after question, right? So let's have A, B, C. A, B, C. 1 year later, so let's say Amy has a 1 unit. Okay, we gotta go to the back first because the description at the back is as a result, Amy became twice as heavy as Bev, Bev twice as heavy as Kelly. So we work backwards, right? So ABC, at the back, they actually had Amy is twice as Bev. So let's say Kelly is 1 unit. Because Beth is twice, they say Beth is twice of Kelly. Beth will be 2 units. And then Amy's twice as Beth. My God. How is that possible? It's 4 units, you know. So the ratio is 4:2:1. Do you know of anybody who is like 4 times the weight of another person? 4 times, you know what is 4 times? That means it's 4 of you. Four Teddy, can you imagine? Can you imagine
There
my
will be
weight?
20 people in the class now.
Yeah, maybe an adult, but my weight is not 4 times of yours. You're like what? What's your weight, Daddy? 30.
40 kg.
40. 4 times of 40 is 160. I'm not 160, man. Baby, then possible. Okay, it's gonna be so heavier. But this is Amy, Beth, and Kelly. Alrighty. So now we gotta go backwards. What do you mean by go backwards? Because Beth weight increased by 15, Kelly weight reduced, and Amy's weight doubled. Amy actually doubled her weight. Oh my God. That means at first Amy is 2 units, huh? So double plus 2 units. So became 4 units. In 1 year, her weight double. That means Sec 1, Teddy suddenly become 80 kilograms.
Oh
40 to
no,
80.
no.
Twice,
That's not gonna
twice.
happen.
So that looks really weird. Okay, how about Beth? Beth is increased by 15. That means originally here is 2u minus 15. You got it? Then Kelly reduced by 5. Here is 1u plus 5. Right? So this is called working backwards. And when you add them together, let's refer to the green color part. Wow, today's pen is a bit weird. Okay. The total weight is 115 kilogram. That is the green color part here. Okay, looking at the green color part. So if I add them together, I will get 2u plus 2u minus 15 plus 1u plus 5 should give me 115 kilograms. Altogether, I have 5 units minus 10 equals to 115. So 5 units equals to 125. 1 unit equals to 25. So 1 unit is, what the 99999 thing? What's going on? Samuel to me. What? 19999. You accidentally typed something, Samuel. Okay, so 1 unit equals to 25. Now, if 1 unit equals to 25, what is Beth's weight? B is 2u minus 15. So 2u equals to 50. 50 minus 15 equals to 35 kilogram. So that's our part A. Okay. So find the average weight at the end. We need to find the average weight at the end. Now for B, I'm going to do it here. I have a total of 7 units. Now 1 unit is 25, so 7u represents 25 times 7. That will give me a total of 175. Okay, so 175 kilogram divided by 3. 3 human beings. 58.3, round off to the nearest whole number is 58 kilogram. Okay, that is the average. Now, so how to solve this question? Work backwards, people. Work backwards. Samuel is spamming me. Samuel. Hey, Samuel. Why you spam, Samuel? Not Sam, Samuel. Samuel, yo. Well, actually, your names are a little bit similar. Sam is Simon Yu. Samuel is Samuel Yo. SMY, right? Simon Yu. Samuel Yo. Okay, Samuel, stop spamming. Okay, so we're done with 14. Next question. So okay, nobody has problems, and 16 skip. 17 B only. Okay.
I wrote
Why
down
5?
follows.
Why
I
5
wrote
U
down
minus 10?
follows.
Wait, Isaac got a question. Why 5 U minus 10? What do you mean 5? Oh, why minus 10? Because if you add them together, let me circle the numbers. You take a calculator, minus 15 plus 5. You get minus 10. You just key in minus 15 plus 5. You get negative 10. Try it, Isaac. Minus 15 plus 10, you get negative. Sorry, minus 15 plus 5, you get negative 10. Yeah. Thank you, Sam. See? It's correct. See, Isaac can see? Yes. Awesome. Last one. Okay, this is a great way to start the day by checking all the homework. Good that everyone has done the homework so we can go fast. Okay, last one. So Mary designed the following figure, quadrants and semicircle. How many centimeters needed? Okay. So we found there is 80. You have no problem with A. But why don't we just go through? Okay.
Let's go through B.
Why don't we go through everything?
Well, B only.
Yeah, I'll go through B as well.
Oh,
So how many centimeters of wire is needed to make one such figure? So we have to know the formula for circle. The formula for the circle, right, is 2 pi r. That means 2 times pi times radius will give me the circumference. So how many circumferences do I have here? Quadrants and semicircles. Okay, now this 14 cm quadrants and semicircles. What?
Yeah, we have one big, one hole, and one semicircle.
Yeah, so
Take all the quadrant.
correct. So this is a semicircle. So I got a quadrant. Okay, you see that? So basically I just have to find 1.5 circle.
14 times 14 has 22 times 7. Ta-da!
Yeah. 1.5 times 2 times 3, 22 over 7 times radius. What's the radius? 7. Okay. That will give me 1.5 times 2 times 2 over 7 times 7. 66. Right, so I get 66. I still need to add this 7. So 66 plus, 14. So I get 80 centimeters. Right, so that's part A. Now part B, the wires are sold in rows of 2 meters. How many rows of wire would Mary need to buy to make 10? Now, one of them is 80 cm. So 10 of them will be 80 times 10. I'm going to need 800 cm. Oh, not me. Mary. Mary's going to make this. So she's going to need 800 cm. Now, one wire is 2 meter long. Okay, 2 meter long. Now, how many rows do you need? How many rows do you need?
Four.
4. Wait, looks like 4. But why is it 5? Oh, I know why. It's a very tricky question. Let me explain how it works, okay? Of course, if you take 800 divided by 200, you're gonna get 4. But there's a problem here. The figure can only be formed using a single piece of wire. Okay, you can only use one single piece of wire. So one wire of 200 meter, every 200 meter, how many figure can you make? You can only make 2 figures. Right? And then you gotta throw away the extra. You understand? Because 2 of them, right, it's 160 cm. Alright, so 200 cm can only make 2. So how many 200 do you need to make 10? You're gonna need 5 of them. So 200 cm, 2, 200, you make 2 more, 200, you make 2 more, right? That's only 8, right? And then 200, you get 2 more. So altogether, you need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows to make 10 figures. Got it? You got it? So it's 5 rows. Daniel, do you understand this? No, do you understand this? Daniel. Daniel.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Is Samuel still spamming you? Daniel, is Samuel still spamming you? Samuel, are you spamming Daniel?
He was just now always spamming all the emoji faces.
you all like each other so much, you're talking privately, yeah?
No, we hate each other.
But you all are chit-chatting in private, no? You chit-chat in private, no? What you all talking about? Don't want to let us know, huh?
Well said what he said to me just now to you.
10 divided by 2, question mark. He sent a lot of question mark. Daniel say Samuel is spamming him. Okay, you're gotta stop spamming. Any more spam, I'm gonna you want to irritate him. Okay, don't irritate him, okay? We don't irritate people here, right? We help one another. Got it?
Can you disable chat?
Yes, I can disable chat.
Then can you do it now?
I can't because there's okay, I can disable chat to each other. Wait,
Yes, do it.
You can only chat. Okay. Okay, done. I'm done. Okay, all right. So this was the last question from last week's homework. Now we're gonna go on to the new paper. Okay, we're gonna go on to the new paper. So now, can I just check that everyone has got a copy of the new 2019 prelim paper?
Which one is it?
Huh? Do you have the what new paper? The 2019 2019.
Is it
Two,
ACS?
yeah, 2019.
I have it here. I
Okay,
complete all of it already.
wait a minute.
So I go to my Gmail and check.
Go and take. Okay. Isaac, remember last week I was just asking everyone. You said that you have the 2019 prelim paper, just that you don't know which paper it is. You have the
I didn't
2019.
receive the
Please
paper.
check. Huh? Did you have it?
No,
Don't have.
I only
Okay.
have the English.
Never mind. If you don't have, I can send it here. Now I'm not doing the AACS one first. I believe I gave you this one iTone. Do you have the iTone paper? Okay, wait. I'm gonna send to Sam first. So I just sent to you. Can you see in the chat? Isaac also don't have. What is this? Samuel also cannot find. What's going on, man? I do already. Okay, I gotta send to everyone. Isaac, I send to you. Itong. We look at Itong first. Okay, Daniel has